This is part of Axxis Machine's shop control software. The output is what we get as our job traveler. Gives us all the information that operator setup people will need in a nice simple form. Follows the job throughout the shop. The job number that the employee would punch in on, all of his stock run, start dates, due dates, inquire dates, quantity of order, part number, and all the material list, raw material components that are needed, from a simple center drill down to reamers, boring heads, so on and so forth. Inserts we use, and it allows us to really critique and organize the job. Also, the sequence are also included on each sequence of the job, and what resources run on. Gives a time and equivalence for what is going to be scheduled for each operation, what machine the operation is run on. Gives us, a total production hours. It allows us to not only schedule within our software, but allows us to run all the setup information we need and all associated documents that would be needed on this particular part. And it's all captured in under one part number with the rev and all other pertinent information from the customer. Allows us to not only follow the job and traceability, but gives us a very good reproduction when we run jobs over and over again, and allows us to make changes as need be, implement them on the floor seamlessly. The associated documents, just as an example, might be a spreadsheet listing the setup, tools, setup information that the setup person would need, first piece inspection, sign off, so on and so forth. These are all associated with this job traveler in this tool, and changes can be made and they're saved back to the system, allowing us to reevaluate each assembly to see what is most efficient. Any problems, any complications on a job can be noted and translated into our meetings, and again, it's part of our production software that we use to control the shop. It's also used for our scheduling. Quite extensive, but necessary to produce good parts for our customer and keep the parts on time and our delivery schedule met.